Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Claude AI chat conversation. Whether you're clearing out old conversations or removing sensitive information, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Claude AI. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your Claude AI dashboard where all your previous conversations are stored and ready to access. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you'll find several navigation options, but we're interested in the one labeled Chats. Click on this button to view your complete chat history. This section displays all your previous conversations with Claude AI in a list format, making it easy to locate the specific chat you want to remove. Now, here's where the deletion process begins. Hover your mouse over the chat conversation you wish to delete. As you do this, you'll notice a three dotted lines icon appears right beside it. This is your options menu for that particular chat. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete. Once you click Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, so Claude AI wants to make sure you're certain about removing this conversation. Simply click Delete on this confirmation pop-up to permanently remove the chat from your history. Alternatively, there's another method you can use to delete conversations. If you prefer, you can click directly on the chat conversation you want to delete. This will open the chat in the main viewing area. With the chat now open, look at the upper left panel of the screen. You'll see a down arrow button located there. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing this conversation. From this menu, select Delete. Just like before, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify your decision. Click Delete on this pop-up to finalize the removal of your chat conversation. This ensures the conversation is permanently deleted from your Claude AI account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed unwanted chat conversations from Claude AI using either the sidebar method or the in-chat deletion option. Both methods are equally effective, so choose whichever feels more convenient for your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.